This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right now, an invisible shift in the macroeconomic data has triggered a massive capital reallocation, and if you're sitting on cash or waiting for a bigger market crash, you are actively missing the largest wealth generation window of the entire decade. With today's crushing ISM PMI services data and Monday's four-year high manufacturing PMI proving that economic demand is actively accelerating, institutional whales are silently sweeping foundational artificial intelligence and quantum computing, as well as fintech infrastructure at deep temporary discounts. If you do not position your portfolio in the specific 5 hypergrowth assets that I'm going to be breaking down today, you are watching the market run hard without you over the next 24 months, which is permanently trapping your capital in underperformance stocks. Look at the charts across the board. Every single major bull market in history starts with a period of intense skepticism, a wall of worry that keeps the majority of traders paralyzed. We are seeing generational companies trading at critical technical capitulation zones, presenting entry points that we likely will never see again. The fear of missing out shouldn't just be an emotional response, it should be calculated, mathematical realization that the macroeconomic landscape has fundamentally shifted. And today's data confirms that businesses are buying, consumers are spending, and the real underlying economy is running hotter than anyone anticipated. If you miss this accumulation phase, you aren't just missing a trade, you're missing the macro rotation finds the next market cycle. Every day you hesitate is a day that institutional money gets to buy these shares cheaper than you. And in a year from now, you will look back and likely regret it. Before I break down these positions, I want to invite you to join my community of serious market professionals. Inside my Discord, I pull back the curtain to teach my proprietary dark pool, hedge fund, technical analysis, and advanced market psychology strategies. These are not basic indicators that you can find anywhere in public forums. These are exact institutional framework methodologies that I personally use to scale my smaller $250,000 account to over $2.1 million in just over a year and aggressively compound my micro challenge account from $900 to $9,000 in the exact same time horizon. If you want to stop guessing and start trading with institutional clarity, the links to secure your spot in my Discord are below, and this is likely going to be a very good year. We're just getting started. It's a 9-inning game. Very likely we're only in the second or third inning. So let's get right into the macro data. Remember, the link to get started with Discord is below. Let's stop the noise and look directly at the hard data hitting the tape right now. June 3rd, today, the ISM services PMI hit a massive 54.5%, crushing expectations of 53.7%, making it 23 consecutive months of expansion led by surging new orders at 57.3%. This comes right on the heels of Monday's ISM manufacturing PMI, which blasted to a 4-year high of 54%, and yesterday's red-hot market JOLTS job openings report, which shattered expectations. Combine all of this with positive expansionary signals from the Chicago Fed Index this past Friday, and the macroeconomic thesis is crystal clear. Both the industrial floor and the massive service engine of the United States are accelerating simultaneously. This isn't a weak, fragile market built on a bubble. This is a fundamentally hardened economy throwing off textbook structural buy signals. The bears have run out of arguments. With factory activity in a true growth cycle and services demand compounding, the earnings power coming out of corporate America over the past quarter is fully justified. Margins are expanding, structural costs are down, AI infrastructure integration is finally delivering in real, scalable, free cash flow to the bottom line. This is convergence of strong labor market metrics, explosive multi-year PMI prints, and powerful corporate execution. And this means the economy is positioned to run incredibly hard over the next 1 to 2 years. This current volatility is not a warning sign. It is a gift and a massive buying opportunity for those who understand the institutional order flow. Before I dive into the top 5 stocks to potentially add to your portfolio for June of 2026, remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Be safe. The market is risky. There's no guarantees. Protect your capital and make sure the stocks I talk about in this video fit your own personal goals and personal needs. Number 5, the first stock to talk about in this video is IonQ. We start our countdown with IonQ, which is a pure play pioneer in quantum computing revolution. IonQ builds and commercializes high-performance quantum computers utilizing trapped ion technology, which provides superior qubit coherence and scaling capabilities compared to competing architectures. As traditional silicon architecture reaches its physical limitations, quantum computing computing is no longer a sci-fi concept. It is a vital economic pillar needed to handle hyperscale machine learning, complex cryptography, and advanced molecular modeling. IonQ excels by bringing commercial-ready systems to the market, such as the recent landmark sale of a 256-qubit system to the University of Cambridge, providing the computational infrastructure that will drive the global economy's next technology paradigm. We also have to talk about the financial health of IonQ. Looking at the tape today, June 3rd, 2026, IonQ is navigating intense market volatility, trading structural support zones following a sharp macro sector drawdown earlier this year. The stock has established a firm technical floor around its recent lows, resisting further capitulation as the institutional buyers absorb the float. Financially, IonQ stands out from the pure play quantum basket because it leads the entire sector in its contract pipeline and cash reserves. While the company continues to burn operational cash to fund its rapid R&D scaling, a standard metric for hypergrowth tech play, their remaining performance obligations and growing government contract wins demonstrate deep, multi-year commercial backing that ensures liquidity through this scaling phase. Wall Street analysts are heavily divided but distinctly bullish on IonQ's explosive upside, with consensus price targets reflecting a mean target of approximately $70 to $80 this year, implying a near-term gain of anywhere from 10 to 20% still on the horizon for the year. And while the street high targets sit at a massive $100 to $120 a share over the next year, as massive quantum market structure matures, the stock is primed for a significant short squeeze-driven recovery back towards its key resistant levels. In the 3 to 5 year window, as commercial quantum cloud deployments accelerate, we expect exponential revenue compounding. Looking out to the 5 to 10 year range, IonQ has the structural potential to become a foundational computing monopoly, making this capitulation level an exceptional long-term buy. The number 4 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Soundhound. Soundhound is a true powerhouse in the conversational and agentic AI software space. Soundhound develops independent voice AI solutions spanning automatic speech recognition, natural language understanding, and complex conversational intelligence. They excel by providing global enterprise brands with platforms like Smart Answering and their cutting-edge Oasis self-learning agentic platform. Soundhound is critical to the modern economy because it allows the automotive, hospitality, and enterprise customer service sectors to fully automate complex voice integrations in multiple languages with unparalleled speed and accuracy, stripping out millions in operational overhead. As of today, Soundhound is trading right around $8.80 to the $9 range, holding firmly above its key 50-day moving average, which signals the near-term technical momentum has completely shifted back to the bulls. The stock recently experienced capitulation and short-term profit taking near its Q1 earnings print, despite reporting a record revenue surge of 52% year over year, $44.2 million. This represents textbook buying opportunity. The company boasts a pristine balance sheet of $216 million in cash on hand and absolutely zero debt. Furthermore, Soundhound has signed a massive agreement to acquire LivePerson, set to close in the second half of 2026, which will exponentially expand their enterprise footprint. Wall Street sentiment remains intensely bullish, maintaining a moderate buy consensus even after conservative target adjustments from firms like D.A. Davidson and Northland, who pinned near-term price targets at a solid $12 to $14, implying over 50% upside. Over the 1 to 3 year horizon, management's reaffirmed 2026 revenue guidance of up to $260 million, coupled with projected 2026 leap of $400 million, including the LivePerson integration, will force dramatic analyst upgrades. Over the 5 to 10 year macro frame, as voice interaction becomes the primary interface for autonomous vehicles and smart devices, Soundhound is positioned to scale its market cap exponentially from its current $3.6 billion baseline. The number 3 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Applied Digital. Applied Digital is a high-growth infrastructure play that forms as physical backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. Applied Digital designs, builds, and operates next-generation data centers specifically engineered to host high-performance computing AI factories and hyperscale cloud workloads. Unlike traditional data centers, Applied Digital excels in providing the immense liquid cooling power density and high ultra-efficiency architecture required by massive GPU clusters. They are vital to the economy because without their physical mega campuses, the software models built by major tech conglomerates literally cannot run. Technically, Applied Digital is one of the hottest stocks on Wall Street today, trading around $47 to $49, well above its 200 200-day moving average, representing a massive 520% gain over the past year and 87% surge year to date. The company recently shocked the market by securing a monumentally huge 15-year take-or-pay lease with top-tier U.S. hyperscaler for its new 300-megawatt Polaris Forge 3 campus. This single contract brings their total contracted baseline revenue to a jaw-dropping $31 billion across 4 campuses. With a total potential revenue ceiling of $73 billion if options are fully exercised, their latest earnings comfortably beat consensus, posting 139% year-over-year revenue growth to $126.6 million. And following this massive hyperscaler deal, analyst community went into a frenzy. Needham aggressively raised its price target to $68, while Lake Street set a price target between $70 and $75, with the absolute street high target reaching all the way into the $100 and $120 a share. Over the next 1 year, any short-term technical pullback or consolidation is an absolute screaming buy as the market adjusts to this $31 billion contracted backlog. In the 3 to 5 year range, as the Polaris Forge campus officially goes operational in 2027, the stock's free cash flow will compound into multi-billions. Over the 5 to 10 year outlook, as data center capacity and power grid access becomes the world's scarcest commodities, Applied Digital's physical assets will make it an irreplaceable, highly valuable infrastructure titan. If you're sitting out there watching the sheer size of these institutional contracts like Applied Digital securing $31 billion in guaranteed revenue, and you're wondering how to catch these technical breakouts before they surge 500%, you need to understand that the public markets always lag behind dark pools. The institutions left their footprints on Applied Digital weeks before this news hit the tape. We don't just look at old news. We track the real-time order flow and psychological turning points that let us position early. Do not look back at June 2026, a year from now, wishing you had taken action. Join my private Discord community right now. The link is below to get started. Let me show you what I can do for your portfolio so you can start making the profits that you see right here on the screen. The number 2 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is SoFi. Generic legacy banking is dying, and taking the number 2 spot is SoFi, a disruptive digital financial services platform that is fundamentally redefining the industry. SoFi operates as a comprehensive mobile-first ecosystem, providing student loan refinancing, personal loans, mortgages, stock and crypto trading, and high-yield savings accounts. Where SoFi truly excels is its vertical integrated technology stack, powered by its Galileo and Technisys segments, which act as the AWS of fintech by powering other digital banking applications. SoFi is highly important to the expanding economy because it captures high-earning young professionals, turning them into lifetime banking members and bypassing the expensive physical brick-and-mortar overhead that cripples traditional legacy banks. As of today, SoFi is experiencing heavy, highly liquid technical trading as it tests critical long-term resistance and support zones. The stock has been a primary target for retail momentum and institutional accumulation, riding a broader wave of optimistic macroeconomic sentiment. SoFi has reached a historic inflection point. It has proven its ability to consistently sustain net income profitability while simultaneously limiting operational costs. With net interest income expanding and its lending segments fully insulated by its official bank charter, SoFi is throwing off massive cash flow that is completely decoupled from the volatility we've seen in pure tech growth equities. Wall Street analysts are rapidly re-rating SoFi from a speculative fintech stock to a highly profitable commercial banking powerhouse. Consensus targets imply steady near-term expansion, but the true story lies in the 1 to 3 year outlook as interest rates stabilize and digital banking adoption completely replaces traditional regional bank market share. SoFi's margins are projected to scale dramatically. In the 5 to 10 year range, SoFi has the structural framework, member growth rate, and proprietary technology infrastructure to become one of the top 5 largest consumer financial institutions in the country, making its current valuation absolute steal. The number 1 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is none other than Oracle. Oracle is an absolute titan in enterprise software, cloud infrastructure, and autonomous database management. They excelled through Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI, which has emerged as a premier cloud destination for cutting-edge AI training workloads due to its highly advanced ultra-fast RDMA networking capabilities. Oracle is indispensable to the global economy. Their software runs the administrative, financial, and operational systems of nearly every Fortune 500 company on Earth. By successfully migrating these legacy enterprises into an AI-native cloud environment, Oracle has secured a virtually unshakable moat. Looking at the tape today, Oracle has been trading between $230 and $240 over the past couple of days, which is still a very attractive entry point, down slightly in the recent few sessions due to short-term macro-driven AI funding concerns following competitor capital expenditures. This minor pullback is an institutional gift. Oracle boasts a massive market capitalization of over $703 billion, supported by rock-solid trailing earnings per share, $5.57, and a healthy quarterly dividend yield. The remaining performance obligations are at all-time highs, driven by multi-billion-dollar backlogs for cloud capacity from hyperscaler clients and sovereign governments, ensuring completely predictable, massive cash flows regardless of short-term economic hiccups. Major Wall Street firms overwhelmingly view Oracle as a strong buy, treating it as a premier lower beta blue chip anchor that offers hypergrowth, AI upside. Over the next 12 months, analyst consensus point towards a rapid recovery back to its 52-week highs of $345 to $350 as their massive backlog converts into recognized revenue. In the 3 to 5 year time frame, as Oracle's autonomous database and cloud partnerships with OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google fully scale, their earnings power will enter a multi-year hyper expansion. Looking out 5 to 10 years, Oracle represents the ultimate combination of safety, dividend growth, and dominant enterprise cloud ownership, making it the absolute best stock to lock into your portfolio today. Look, the data does not lie, and the window to act on this specific market structure is closing incredibly fast. You've seen the numbers from today's booming ISM services data to Soundhound's massive revenue scaling, Applied Digital's unprecedented $31 billion contracted baseline, and Oracle's anchoring the cloud infrastructure of the future. The market is giving you a clear, definitive buying opportunity today. The tape is driven by resilient jobs data, major multi-year expansion and macro business surveys, and bulletproof corporate earnings. The only question left is whether you are going to sit on the sidelines paralyzed by fear or aggressively position your portfolio alongside institutional smart money before the next macro leg up leaves you behind. Head to the link below to secure your spot in my Discord if you want to get trades like Oracle that I put out on my Discord at $138 before it ran to $250 this past week, showing almost a 200% return. My AMD trade that I put out at $100 last year, and dozens of other trades where my students are printing hundreds of thousands of dollars. You guys can see right there. Lock in your spot in Discord right now before the market runs this year, because when the interest rates get cut, which is likely to happen still by early fall, end of summer, and when the issues in Iran are abated, and also the earnings cycle coming up in the tech sector, we are likely to have a very powerful summer and fall to close out the year. You guys don't want to miss out on that. The link to get started in my Discord is below. Take action now. Let me help you grow your portfolio, and I'll see all of you on the next upload. One love, fam.